This is my video response to Chris Cracker's Leave Britney Alone. Honey, wow, you need a life or some serious professional help. Britney Spears sucked, and people are allowed to make fun of her because of the fact that she is an entertainer and this is a life she signed up for. She knew, like all celebrities know, that the paparazzi, the news, will bash them anytime they get a chance. So it's no big deal that they're doing it to Britney now, especially when she sucks so bad. And Perez Hilton said that she wasn't being professional, and he was telling the truth. Because even though she is going through a rough time, like everyone does now and again, um, she shouldn't have let it get to her. Because a professional performer doesn't do that. They will do their best and try as hard as they can every single time they perform. I'm sorry, honey, and you were wrong.